we got one question, and it would not be a podcast with the Watercraft Journal if we weren't asked what kind of oil to run. Uh, not joking. Kevin is asking, what kind of oil do you use on these kinds of racing skis? A thinner, thicker, heavier oil? I think he legitimately is asking. I don't think it's a joke. But what do you run in 1,000? What kind of oil do you run in 1,000 horsepower Yamaha?
Usually, I care more about the I care more about using a thicker oil. So we obviously have more ring sealing,
Okay.
because really that's the biggest problem on a high horsepower like a turbo engine, because you always want to prevent the rings to be either washed or they keep sealing, and the oil is very relevant. So usually in a very high boost application, you have to use a thicker oil.
Yeah.
Either like a straight 40, 50, or
Okay.
even at least a 2050 on that
Right.
side.
I was going to say a VR1, like a 20
Yeah,
W50.
I personally like that a lot. Yeah.
Do you really? Okay,
Yeah.
great. That's all
It
I
has
have
a
in
lot
my
of zinc.
garage.
It has a lot of zinc and
Yeah.
helpful. Yeah.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.